Okay. Are we live? I think we're live. We should be live. Yeah. I'm always concerned that it like doesn't work at some point. Because I've had issues in the past with like live streams and stuff with it not starting correctly and all that. It seems like the past few times that I've streamed it's been fine, so I guess like I got nothing to worry about. Alright, today I'm gonna try getting a lot more work done on the BetterLegacy story mode. I'm at the very least hoping to get at least everything like kind of filled out a bit. Basically, there's some things that are missing that are for like the interface, but I don't have the files for them. So basically, I need to create those files, and then I need to hey Cube. And then I need to, what's it called? Edit those files to include, or to actually have the story in them. So I guess technically today's stream is kind of similar to last stream where I did some coding, but instead of coding, it's not really coding. It's just like writing up an interface because I don't have an interface editor yet. So, but I can always jump between doing this and also doing some of the cutscenes as well. So if I go to like some of these cutscenes, I could refine them, but I think I want to refine them later in a later stream. Depends on how much I can get done this today. By the way, if I sound tired, I still am a bit tired. I'm still trying to wake up. I literally like woke up at about an hour ago, and was like, wait, am I forgetting something? Oh yeah, I need to stream. That's right. So I could have completely slipped through this through the for when the stream started. So it's going to take me a bit to fully wake up, but that's okay. So let me switch over to, actually need to switch over to the full desktop because I need to, okay, so I need to basically edit the interface stuff. Oops. Example. Actually, I might need to have them not appear in the menus for now. And menus. There. Okay. Oh yeah, last stream I did the okay. Last stream I did, what's it called? I did the menu thing. So now there's low levels and stuff here. I also did some other stuff off stream too. Kind of forgot what I did. I guess I can look at this and see what I did. Some editor stuff. More example stuff too. Okay, cool. Okay, so back to, let me go into the story. So I need to check what like exists in the story so far, like what we have in terms of interface stuff. So the level 1 returns to log research. Log the research, okay. Yeah, so that one's done. Where does this one go? This one goes to Nanobot iterations. This one goes to PHChat03. That's not, that shouldn't happen, no. Okay. So I see. I think I need to change these. So instead of returning to this, I needed to return to log understanding. I think that's for level 3. Oh, it's 04. Okay, well, I might as well get rid of all this text. I'm gonna get a placeholder for now, because... yeah. So it's actually for this, not that. So what would I make the interface for this be? Let me see. Logs. I needed another log for... Oh, it's actually a Paramecium test log. Paramecium, okay, yeah. So I can put that there instead. Oh, it's actually in logs, not doc01. Okay, make sure I'm doing this correctly, yep. Do I have one for level 3? I don't have one for level 3, actually. I'll just call this test for now. And then I open this. And then I will go to here. PHPad 03 instead of 04. Placeholder, okay. So, okay. Log iterations, tests, understanding, Paramecium test, okay. Okay, so I think that should be good. Now if I go to story, I can now go to this. Actually, wait, hold on, I just realized, I think I need to also add it to the staff logs. Where is it there? Yeah, here. I need to add this, so let me see. Okay, got now about iterations. I also need this one, which would be log tests. Log tests. Paramecium. Wait, why is there another Paramecium test? What is it? Oh, understanding. Forgot to change the comment here. 04 complete. Yes. 03 complete? Yes, okay, I think we're good. So got a story. Let me delete this. And then go to the save file, okay. Let's see how this goes. god, I think... Wait, maybe what's happening is the... I don't know. Weird. Okay, so I just need to go through the story again to see... just see how this ends up working. Or see if everything's, working fine. Actually, I'll need to pause, because I need to actually go to... Oh, QB's still here. Okay. I guess you're fine with getting spoilers. I mean, it says literally in the title for the stream. Okay, so I need to actually go to here and do like a placeholder text. I think, okay, that one I'm fine with. I might need to rework that one. What is this one? I'm just gonna do placeholder for now. I'm not gonna worry about this too much. You already seen the first level? I see, I see. Okay. Well, yeah, I'm pretty much going to be playing through the entire chapter 1. I'm also going to be talking a lot about, like, my process when it comes to working on this story. So, yeah. Wait. Where is the thing here? Uh-huh. Right. Oh yeah, right. I forgot this was a thing. Okay, let me remove that, make it a placeholder. Let me also make this a placeholder too. Or I guess I could just like remove this. Yeah. It's, I mean, again, as I said, it's literally called a spoiler stream, so, okay. Okay, placeholder. So that signifies that this is a placeholder. I'm not sure if I need that. I might need that. And also this as well. And I think that's it. I think that's it. That's everything. Yeah, get rid of all that. Okay. Okay, that should be good. So, let's continue. Oh gee, the sun is the sun is in my eyes. The curtains I have aren't like close enough. So, I think my plan is today. So I've done the what's it called? Like creating the files and such for the story. I think I just need to test to see if it like actually does work. or all of them are there. Afterwards I need to like start, I guess, filling out the story. Which actually also, I need to check one more thing before I continue. I need to check the story. Or I need to check the like cutscenes. So, okay, cutscenes are there for, okay, both, okay, Granite has the cutscenes. Oh, Ahead of the Curve doesn't have any cutscenes, right? I forgot. Yeah, so I need to actually figure that out soon. Yeah, I think I'll figure that out later this stream. For now, I want to figure out like a bit more of the story and the stuff log stuff, or the interface stuff. Okay, I think this should be good. I think this is, yeah, this is all good. All the cutscenes are there, everything. Okay, so I can continue. I'm not sure why the background clears at that point. It's because we're switching scenes? I'm not sure. Switching to game scene. Oh. Wait, I think that is. Huh. Wait, why is that? Level manager. Loading. Play. We don't. I play. And. Oh no, it does. Wait, no. Doesn't have to switch game scene, I think. Switching to game scene. Okay, so it doesn't actually switch. Okay, it doesn't load game scene. I see. Unless it does switch. I don't know. I really don't know. You know what? It's fine. Okay, so this stuff log's here. Okay, and this chat log is here as well. Okay, cool. Okay, let's go through that. Okay, cool, so that works. Now let's continue. I think this one should also have what it needs now. Okay. Okay, here we go. It's this part. So just stay calm, stay calm. Don't do anything too crazy, just... Okay. There we go. Oh boy, did that. I love what I was able to do with this level. It's so cool. It's so nice. Okay, then this part is back to this, so I'm just gonna go try going down the corner. Okay, well, never mind. Never mind. My strategy failed immediately. Well, that's not a strategy. This is like kind of circling around. Interesting. And so many different like things you could do. Like you could circle around, or you could stay in a specific spot, or you could stay in the middle, try to like go up and down. A lot of different strategies there. I like that. Okay, this one, yeah, we have the stuff over here, which I need to rewrite this one. I think this one's a bit too brief. It needs more information about what's going on, and what they're trying to do. Wait. Why did it take me directly to the... What? Wait, huh? I'm so confused. Hey, Yappy. Why did it take me to the thing? Not about iterations. What is this? Okay, what does this take me? Staff logs. Oh, okay, I see, I see. Yeah, I forgot to do this. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. So I need to go to each one of these, and yeah, I need them to return to the other thing instead of, yeah, like this. So I think, okay, log research is fine. The research log is fine, yeah. So now about iterations. It said this needs to be, so 2. 3 is tests, yeah. 4 is understanding, yes. 5 is paramuseum tests, so let's do that one. There we go, okay, I think this should be good now. Okay, so it should no longer return me to that interface. Hello, Ton. And I think with Talon, I need some like hints at her existence throughout the like interfaces. One example is like what I did there with the main menu. How you could see her emoji form. So I need her to also be present in the like, or not really like fully present, just like kind of hinted at. It's like there's someone else here. And there she goes. Directly into Super Game Mode 3D. Oh geez, I cannot see it all. The sun is blurring in my eyes. So I literally have to like duck, because it's just like, it's literally, the sun is right behind my monitor, so it's like, man. Okay. And this level I think I might need to update a bit more. To go with like the same ideas that I did with the other levels, potentially. Or not, maybe not, I don't know. I don't know. There's not much, like, too much strategy here, it's just, like, kind of just avoid. But I would like a bit more strategy to this, so you actually have to think about, like, where you're going. There she is. Okay. Because of the sun, like, behind my monitor, I literally have to, like... I'm literally, like, ducking my head so I don't see the sun. I'm also kind of squinting a little bit, so it's a bit hard for me to see what I'm doing. Oh gosh. What else is, like, okay, what else do I have planned for today's stream? I think, probably also, like, my plan is mostly just to, like, fill out the stuff, which I already just did, so after that, I could start working on, like, I guess, writing out the rest of the story. I want to at least focus on writing out these staff logs that you get after you beat each level. Then, after that, I'll work on the PA chat stuff. Because basically each level in the story is like, so you get a cutscene, usually you get a cutscene, then you get into the level itself, and then you have another cutscene, and then you have a staff log, which has kind of a relation to the cutscene. But then, oh jeez. But then, a little bit of a difficulty spike here actually, I just realized. Because of the previous parts, yeah, I think maybe I need to improve the previous parts. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to do it. I guess I'll do it after the release. So, and then after this staff log, you get a chat menu, which is basically the characters reacting to the staff log that they just got. Okay, this cutscene's here. Awesome. Okay, and then we go into this placeholder interface, and then placeholder chat. Okay, that works. Awesome. And then back to the base interface. Okay, we're getting somewhere. And then this cutscene where they first meet, but it was like they don't understand each other. Jeez, I really gotta do something about this sunlight. In fact, let me quickly get up and try to close the blinds as much as I can. No, that's the wrong way. There we go. Okay, I think that should be fixed. Shouldn't be any more sunlight blaring in my eyes. Okay, that's so much better now. Now I don't have to try to hide my eyes from the sun. And it's not like I'm just like not used to the sun. It's like it's just literally blaring in my eyes. Okay, let's continue. Ow. That part is a bit crazy. Maybe I could remove the bullets from there. Still love Sunboy color. Ow. Oh no, I'm still stuck in this. I'm still really, like, I'm still trying to wake up. Which may or may not be an excuse of how much I'm stuck in this. Usually I'm doing better than this. This part doesn't really involve you dashing a lot, so maybe I could change it up a bit. Kind of just like avoiding some bullets, which is not the purpose of this. Oh, cheers. Yo, Damien, hello. Go to the player switch from the bottom half to the top half, maybe. Yeah. Yeah, I could probably have that, because one of the main things with this level is, like, the boost mechanic. Kind of testing that a bit. Because each level is supposed to kind of have a specific mechanic. Like the first level is just a tutorial, the second one's supposed to be beams, third one's supposed to be bullets, and then this one's supposed to be pulses and stuff, which is like letting you use your boost mechanic. But also the reason why this level's not like that, why it doesn't follow that formula, is because it is based on... it's literally the old level that I made like a few years ago, like 3 years ago now? Jeez. Wait, was it 3 years ago? Or was it 2 years ago? Wait. No, it was 2022 when I made it, I think, right? Yeah. Yeah, 3 years ago, jeez. So, it's, it doesn't follow the like, formula that I want it to, but that's okay. I'm mainly focused on just, like, on getting the story stuff done at the moment. Because then once that's done, I can just, like, do gameplay changes after that. And there's still some levels in the story that are still, like, unfinished. Won't say which ones, but... at least this part, like, does involve you having to do that, but you can also not do that. Jeez. I just need to wake up. I'm still really, really tired. Okay. Okay, there we go. It's ended. Also, time being here is going to be changed. It's still the old model. You can tell because their headphones, like the top of your headphones, don't like go up a bit. And also, you figure out like how to. I think I want to change like the way the cutscene is too. So instead of we're just standing there, maybe it's like instead it zooms out. I need to do that, but I'll do that again, like when I'm working on the cutscenes, and yeah, I wanted to zoom out like this to this point. And then yeah, this cutscene bit probably has nothing right now. I guess I could skip the cutscene a bit. Actually, I could probably just... Could I wait? No. Okay, here we go. Okay, so I have an idea for this part, by the way, now. For this cutscene. It's gonna be kind of like a level, but not really a level. It's more like a pattern of things happening. And then we can have a cutscene here where Hao and Tana are talking to each other. Okay, here we go. Placeholder. Awesome. And placeholder chat. Okay, and also have these two here just to remember like how I wrote them. How I wrote their dialogue. Okay. Okay, so that means that works. And I go to this one. Yeah, this one needs to be reworked, but or this cutscene needs to be reworked, but that's okay. Main point isn't this. Okay. Also, when you look into why that why the backgrounds just disappear. They're not supposed to disappear. They're supposed to stay there and make it look like a transition, like you're still in the same spot. And it's still like it is still the same scene. Hello, Para. Good old Para. I don't think there's much I'd change about this level at the moment. Maybe there's like some bits later on that might change a tiny bit, but for the time being, yeah, I'm pretty happy with this level. Yeah, I think I changed like those beams, because those beams don't really fit. Oh jeez. Like usually beams don't operate like that in the BetterLegacy story mode. Man, I'm just chilling. Okay, there we go. Oh jeez. Careful with the triangles. Okay, there we go. Cool. Oh, imagine if I jump right into that. Jeez. If I jump right back into para. Okay, no. Okay. Then we got this cutscene. Which again, I think you figure out why the backgrounds are disappearing. Don't want that to happen. Okay, so there's some stuff here about this whole I need to expand upon. Again, well, I think at later stream I'll be working on the like cutscene stuff. I'll be working out like what we're doing. And I'll work on like adding stuff to the cutscenes and refining some of the ones that already have stuff. But at least I have an idea of like what happens in each one. Like a very basic idea, but it's an idea nonetheless. Okay, I think this is good. Oh. Okay, this one also doesn't... Wait, what? Huh? Oh, it's... I forgot to change that to Peer 5. Peer Chat 05. That's silly. Man. Okay, so I think that should be it, right? Yeah, next sector. So now that's the end of the story. So I need to figure out. Okay, no, what am I saying? I think that's it. I think that's it. I'm pretty sure that's it. Everything should be implemented. Actually, I can go to stuff logs. I can look at parameter tests. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now it shows. So if somehow you end up skipping out on like a chat menu and you go back to that stuff log, it will just it'll show you the PA chat menu anyways. Okay, so okay, all the files have been sorted out. So okay, tutorial has all the files. Streaker 3D, Head of the Curve, Sunway Color, and Node. Okay, all of them have the files, I think. Everything should be set up, right? Yes. It's just the only one that's missing files right now is Head of the Curve. It's missing cutscenes. Which, I still need to figure out, like, what to do. So I think I want to switch out, switch out of this and go to the editor. Oh, it's gonna crash, right? Man. I should figure out why it crashes there. Maybe it's because of, I don't know. Okay, there we go. So, what I've written down in my story document. I need to look at my story document because maybe that would give me some information as to what to do. Order? Oh no, that's changed. That's outdated. That needs to be updated. Okay, 1-1, 1-2 pre-cutscene. Shows that about starting to collaborate. Maybe that might be different. Nanobots, Nanobots, find something. Or is, this is 1-2, so... I also have to figure out like what cutscene, what song I want to use. Okay, usually it can be a number of ones, or a number of cutscene songs, which I actually have to figure out, like, what ones have I used so far? I've used Adrenaline. Let me see, is it still KXO? Yeah, it's still KXO. Creo, wait, is it Creo? I forgot, hold on, I had the curve. Like, is it just Creo or is it Creo music? Yeah, it's just Creo. Oh, I see. Okay, so Creo. Let me open this link. I need to find Adrenaline. It's the original EP or the original album from Creo. And they add the song there, and we're done. Also animation. There we go. That's set up. This one's also Creo, so Creo. It's an animation. It's reflection, so I think I should better find this one. Yeah, there it is. Tracks as reflections. Cool. I think this one should also be fine. Yeah, that one's fine. That was already set up. This one, like, this one's a difficult one. I don't think I can link to this one because I don't know the person's link. I don't know where that artist is from. Okay, reload. Okay, so this level's still live, or still Creo, or KX, I mean. So change to Creo. I think, oh, actually, live is part of the Adrenaline album, so I can easily get that one. Paste it there, change it to animation. Okay, I think that should be everything. Whilst, yeah, that one's correct. This one's no longer used, I think. Yeah, that one's no longer used. I think I remade it here, didn't I? Yeah. Or I did something different. I might use In the Distance for something then. For one of the other cutscenes here. Potentially. Okay, I think everything should be properly credited. The story trailer is not even set up yet, so can't do that. Okay, now I have to go back to the stream. There we go. Okay, so I think, yeah, I might actually use, I might use that song, cutscene, in the distance, I think. Yeah, in the distance. We use this for nanobots, but okay, what's happening at this point in the story? So they just, okay, the nanobots I think would be like kind of traveling, kind of like what they're doing here. Kind of like this, and then possibly something to do with like finding stuff logs. Yeah, maybe like nanobots searching. Oops. And in the distance. Okay, whoops. I have to full screen that, okay. Let's see, so I need the theme to be CA How Legacy. I'm gonna do light BG. Delete all backgrounds for now. Not sure what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a background object in the center, like this. Then I'll figure out what to do later with this. For now, I want to actually have the nanobots here. So yeah, this one, and maybe this one. There's more some. That's more something that gets kind of, or becomes the main thing later on. So I'm not gonna worry about that one too much. Okay, so we're gonna have the nanobots here. I think it's gonna be again similar to that previous cutscene of them traveling, but instead they're searching for something this time, possibly. Then I need one more cutscene, well, like one more cutscene. Which needs to be maybe, okay, which one could I do? Which one would fit, like, okay, go, like we found something. Or something's like kind of in the, like, hidden. Would Cyanic work? Unless, did I already use Cyanic? I used live there. Adrenaline. Okay, used adrenaline there, so I guess yeah, I could use maybe I could call it mystery for now. But okay, before I create the new cutscene, where should this end? Maybe here. I think it should end here. Okay, then we can go here. End level. So end level, and then that should be good. So now I need to create a new cutscene. Not about mystery. BetterLegacy OST. Which one do I want to go with? I think I wanted to go with Stynic, because that one also has a bit of like a mysterious feeling to it. So Cynic, or however you pronounce it. It could be Cynic, could be anything. Go Dark BG for now. So it's like here they've found something, or something's like kind of present. Also need to change the artist credits. There we go, animation. Maybe here, I think, yeah, here the level ends. The level ends. Whoops, wait, what? Why did that, what are you doing? Don't do that. Do this. There we go. And then end level again. Okay, so as we hit that beat, it will end the level. Cool. So, no, like, nothing's happening yet, but... Yeah, main thing is just, like, getting everything kind of filled out here. Also need to change the artist credit for this. Okay, then I need to go to the file, the story file. Which one is it? It's this one, right? So put this here. So nanobot searching. Open a file explorer. I need to change the pre-cutscene to nanobot searching. And then this cutscene to nanobot's mystery. I think that should work. Okay, and that's everything filled out. Okay. Oh boy. So that is kind of, I guess, step one for today's stream. And actually, how long have I been streaming for? Oh, and actually, just an hour. That took an hour to do. I guess a bit of that was playing through the actual story, which I might have to do again, but actually no, I shouldn't yet. Because actually you start writing out some stuff, so... Okay, it might not be too interesting, but that's not really the point of me streaming this. I'm just streaming this just so I, like, kind of force myself to do it. Or basically not procrastinate. But before I do that, I actually gotta be right back. Alright, I'm back and I got water. Got water for drinking, for staying hydrated. Always stay hydrated. Okay, so now I'm gonna figure out like what to do for the rest of this thing. So I think I'm gonna try going in order of the story itself. So let's see. I think so which one's the one after? Okay. The staff log for Ahead of the Curve is tests. So what does that imply? That implies that they're conducting tests to figure out like what is going on with the Tokyo flu. Potentially, that might be what's happening here. Hmm. Or maybe a different staff member here as well shows up. Yeah, maybe a different one shows up here. Hmm. She hasn't shown up here at all yet. So I guess, yeah. Instead of being written by Harmon Lawson, it could be Mitsuru. And 1950 makes sense a bit more. So it's like this is when they start conducting tests. I think, yeah, around this point would be, yeah. Okay, the previous one is when they established the Arrhythmia project. That's the previous staff log. But I can actually load the story, and I can take a look at the staff logs here, and then we can go in order of like what's happening here. So, oh wait, it's wait. Okay, tests is level 3. Network iterations is level 2. Aha. Yeah, okay. I see. So... Okay, this one basically sets the scene. Then... This is the other one. Then this one talks about nanobot iterations. But what it doesn't make sense there. I guess... Yeah, well, you get skip the whole year here, so maybe maybe I should change that one to be in 1950. Also, it's PHI 02. I just realized. Yeah, wait. I think I forgot. Yeah, I forgot the other ones too. Dang it. Where's the other ones for this? So tests also needs to be this as well. I think the research is fine. Yeah, the research is fine. This one shouldn't be though. Oh, it's PHF. Yeah, that makes sense. So 01, 02, 03, 04, and 05. Okay. So I basically need to write up a bit more of this dialogue. Or a bit more of this stuff log. So I think in the Nanobot Iterations one, I'm not really too happy with the dialogue here. It feels a bit too, like it just gets into it too much. So think about this part in the story. Okay, maybe, I think... okay, I think at this point in the story, we haven't we don't really know much about like the state the world's in, and we're already trying to find solutions. But like what we're trying to find the solution to. So it's like people don't have a perspective of what's like what the thing they're fighting is. Like what is this? What is the Tokyo flu? Like this stuff log mentions the Tokyo flu, the disease is spread across the world, but it's like, what is this disease? What does it do? What is its symptoms? What is like that stuff? So instead, I think I'm gonna change this one to be yeah, I'm gonna change this one to 1950. I feel like I'm skipping ahead a bit too much here. So instead, could I even like, can I rename this in here? No, I can't. So I have to actually, yeah, I have to close out of this. And then I have to go to the story folder. And I think I'm going to rename this, actually. I'm going to rename this to log... symptoms. I think it's good to give people an idea on what the symptoms are for this disease. Log _ symptoms. Although I don't really know what the symptoms would even be. That's the thing. Let me change it to a placeholder. And in the story editor, I need to change this to symptoms, yeah, and then staff list, or staff logs, yeah, staff logs. This one needs to be changed to symptoms. Symptoms? Is it, wait, is symptoms? Is that how you spell it? Yeah, it is, yeah. I'm still a little bit tired, so... yeah. Okay, log symptoms. I think that's everything I needed to do there, right? Yeah, understanding, tests. Okay, everything there should be good. Okay, for the reload of this thing, it should say symptoms, and if I go into it, yeah, I think this time, yeah, we'll say something different, but also I need to change that that icon to the PI heart as well. So, symptoms, where's the icon? It's here. So I need to change that to, yeah, the PA heart. Yeah, icon path. Let's change it to the PA heart for now. Most of that stuff will be kind of a placeholder. Oh, okay, it's loaded again. Oh, because I think it forgot. I think it forgot? Wait. That's odd. Wait, hold on. Wait, did I forget something? Okay, PH hat 01 scene. 02 scene. 03 is 03 here. PH hat 03 scene. Yes. This one should also have 04 scene. Okay, so that seems to be fine. And also, I think, let me verify that everything's correct. Yeah, 05. Okay, cool. So the research. again, give some backstory, then this will dive deeper into, into what the condition is. Also need to change the name of the interface, or just the file, not just the file name, but also like the thing up here. Yeah, this needs to be symptoms. And then this one needs to be tests. And did I change this one up here? I didn't. This one's also the research. Understanding. Okay, so the research. Symptoms. Yep. Okay, now so the symptoms up there. I need it to... So I need to write out... like, make it maybe a list of, like, the common symptoms for arrhythmia. Or also need to write out, like, what am I saying? Arrhythmia, not arrhythmia. The Turku flu. Which actually this variant is... or the variant that this team is searching is, like, kind of based on arrhythmia. And this one's tests, which is them kind of researching the Turku flu, and then, like, they start understanding the research more. Which I think maybe there could be. I have been thinking about, like, maybe some kind of mail system kind of thing, or not a mail system, but like a thing where you get to see, like, the mail sent between members of the research team. So, for example, I think that could potentially be 4. Yeah, number 4 could be that. So that would be understanding, log understanding. Wait, why does this? Wait, why is it still tests? What? Wait, hold on. I got that wrong. Wait, tests. Wait, understanding. Huh? Understanding. Oh, okay. I think it's the ID. Yeah, the ID is the same. Whoops. Let me fix the ID. There we go. That's actually random. Okay, so it should be fixed. So, symptoms, tests, understanding, and then parameter sim tests. And then also I think it should also be a bit more story there too. Okay, I'm pretty happy with what I've got done so far, but then okay, what about the PA chat stuff? Which actually I can test through this. So 01. Where's the base interface? Base interface. Okay, so this one goes to chat 01. Whose voice was that? I need to rewrite some of the dialogue here. But again, I'll do that later. I again want to get the main broad strokes of the story done here. Okay, then 02. So stuff logs, return, PA chat test, place order. So that one would be them reacting to learning the, what the Tokyo flu is, or like the symptoms. Learned what the Tokyo flu is. Right, okay, then chat 3 will be, what will this one be? I gotta go base interface 3, or base interface and change it to 3. Staff logs, and the reason I have to go to staff logs is because I have to, that's how I reload the interface. Okay, so this one is after tests, which is them testing, right? But instead of discussing the logs, this time they're going to be discussing something else. Log and a ton. Discuss log and a ton. Yep, okay. Okay, then after that is understanding, so it's like... oh yeah, by now, yeah. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one as it is. But I'm gonna add a placeholder. How and a ton talk. And then this one's also going to be how and a ton talk about and the sector gate. Okay, I think that's pretty much everything with that done. If I go to the editor, it's going to crash again, right? Oh no, it's fine. I guess I didn't load any levels, so it didn't crash. Odd. So it must be levels then. That might be why it's doing that. What about, what is it about the levels that I'm doing wrong? Maybe not clearing the game data? I don't know. I don't know. Well, I guess I'll have to look into it later. Okay, so I want to work on a bit of the cutscenes. In fact, I want to actually move this one, because that's no longer used. Story trailer? Wait, what even is in story trailer actually? Oh, nothing. Oh, it's using this song, so we'll need to work on that later. I think I'll work on that once I have a bit more of the story written out and have the more of a layout and more of a I guess I mean technically I have a layout already. Like I do have the layout now. It's just not everything is like fully laid out yet, so yeah. I guess here I can write out like what's going on here. So going from beginning to end, I think nanobots. Yeah, this would be them being like, what the heck? What was that? And then we do something about the, yeah, entering a new area. So they continue moving. I would imagine, yeah, I would imagine they would start moving. Maybe. I'm not sure. Hmm. Oh, jeez. Okay, I really should have gotten a better sleep last night. I think I'm realizing that it's not just like the fact that I'm still waking up. I think I just didn't get enough sleep last night. Uh, jeez. That's what happens when you wake up in the middle of the night and then just like, and then fall asleep like an hour or so later. Um, Yeah, I think that's all I can really get done today, unfortunately. This tiredness is a bit too much, so I'll have to get more done in a later stream. Maybe I'll start streaming again later today or something. Just to get just to, like actually get some stuff done because I really do want to get stuff done. I really want to get stuff done as soon as I can because the story mode has been sitting there for way too long. This update has been sitting there way for too long. I need to get it done. So, yeah. But I'll do that later. So for now, I'll see you guys later. Bye.